Okay, so what we've got here is some genuine OEM Triumph, genuine accessories. These are Paddock stand or spools. Accessory kit. Accessory kit is the product of Triumph's use, proven engineering, exhaustive testing, and continuous striving for superior quality, reliability, safety, and performance. Okay, so that's basically what that is. Now, the spools in this little packet here. Here is they look like. I believe you need a it's a 6 millimeter Allen key, it looks like, Allen wrench, and then there's 2. Okay. Now what Triumph has conveniently done they have pre-drilled the holes into the swing arm for the Paddock spools for the stand right here. This one is located on this is the right side swing arm, which is located maybe about 2 inches from the exhaust opening. And if you look back here, this is where your adjustment is for the rear wheel to tighten the chain. And this goes, you can, I believe, begin threading it manually. Just like with your hands, there. As much as you can. Okay, we'll thread that one. Okay, so once you've threaded it as far as you can, then you take your Allen wrench and you want to tighten it. Probably get it as snug as possible, but being mindful not to, that's as tight as it will go. Okay, and I do not want to strip the threads, so you just snug it really good. Now I'm just hoping that vibration will not loosen that up, but I believe the bolt has a lock washer on the other side. So there it is, there that goes. Okay, so here we are on the chain side, and again, this is the left side of the bike. And we will thread this in manually. So that it's evenly threaded. Tighten it with our Allen, and then again snug the spool, making sure that no excessive vibration. That seems to be on there pretty good. Okay, so now once you have your spool stands on there, with the kickstand in place, the way I'm doing this is I'm holding this tail piece here, gently rolling the bike forward, and just gently bringing it down, landing on the tire, and just letting it roll over onto the kickstand, being sure pulling back on the bike at the same time. There are adjusters on the stand So if you have a problem and it's not, you can move that in a little bit to tweak the gap, because this would, could catch on the exhaust and you don't want that. Up there, and then let it roll on to that. The bike is upright, and then just gently pushing down, slowly applying pressure, and then the bike is upright. You may want to straighten the handlebars. Okay, so that it has a nice even stance. Cocking the handlebars back to the left so that when you take the bike off of the stand, again, making sure the kickstand is down and in place. When you get ready to release the bike from the stand, holding the tail section, lifting up gently, allowing the bike to roll just slowly, 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 and just letting it lean off to the left so that it lands on the kickstand. Watching it, keeping that stand under there, and then just allowing the bike, maybe pulling it back towards you so that the kickstand doesn't fold, and then release, and then you're good.